Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today's episode of Midnight Reviews, I believe it's episode 5. We're installing windshield wipers. I bought the wipers probably like 2-3 years ago, and I was gonna install them, and it just never rains in San Jose. So fast forward 2 years now, and I was like, I might as well just install them. It is raining a little bit, and I'm tired of them being in my trunk. Feel like they're gonna break, so might as well just install them and get rid of the old ones. So let's get into today's video. Okay, so I've been having these for like maybe 2 years now. Never installed them. You can see how like the box is all dirty. So hopefully I didn't break anything within those 2 years. I don't know what size is what side. I mean, what size is what side. But I feel like the 22 is going to be the driver. 20 is a passenger. I'm gonna double check though. So as you can see, it's kind of sprinkling a little bit. Or right here, you can see all the little raindrops. The reason I never installed them is because it never really rains in San Jose. But might as well make a video for you guys and just show you guys. It's super simple. It's like 2 steps, and yeah, it looks like this is a smaller one, so I was right. The passenger is going to be the size 20, driver side is going to be size 22. Let me just show you guys. It's super simple. You don't need any tools. You could do this right outside O'Reilly's or whatever automotive store you go. This little clip right here, my neighbor's doing some remodeling, so excuse the background noise, but there's this little clip right here, and all you're gonna do is just like pull it out. So it pops off, and then all you're gonna do is just pull it down, hold this bar, and then hold the wiper, and then you're just gonna pull it down. Super simple. So it just hooks on like this, and then it clips on. And all you have to do is unclip it and then press this down so it could get off the hook, and then it just comes off. Super simple. So let me just do the other side. Takes a couple seconds. And as you saw, sometimes you can just use like a key, your car key, to get this little part right here where it hooks on, and then you just pull it. Okay, and these are the instructions. It shows you every single type. Typically these are going to be like Japanese cars. The middle ones are going to be more like Euro cars. And some of these are like the Prius ones that are a little bit more complicated than the others. But we're sticking to these 2 right here. And specifically, we're going to stick to this one right here, the A one, because it's a regular, it's not the extra large version. Super simple. It just hooks back on, and that's it. So you just need to make sure that right here where it has the double holes, this is the side that's gonna be like this, and then you're gonna hook it up onto, okay? Right here's the little clip, and it's just gonna go like that. And you're also gonna hear a click when you put it on. That's it. Super simple. And then don't forget to take off the little plastic thing. Also, you're gonna think that it's not working. Sometimes it might skip one of the slides, or it might scratch your mirror. So I'm gonna take it off the driver's side and then install this one on the passenger side. And in case you guys want to see how to take it off, like I said, there's gonna be a lever right in the bottom. You press and then you push it down, and that's it. Super simple. Alright, so they're both on there. Please don't hose me about the banner. I know I messed up. It was supposed to be above the wipers. I'm gonna remove it. We're actually in the process of maybe changing out the name. Some people in the group, Luis, doesn't like the name Luis. Apparently it reminds him of Illuminate that other car group in San Jose. So I could kind of see it with the eyes, but it's all good. We could change the name or update the font, whatever people in the group decide to choose. So let me just turn on the car and just kind of like practice a couple times, because there is an embarrassing story where once I installed these, I think I bought them at Costco, and I put them on my Mustang, and in the freeway the first time I used it, I think the driver passenger one flew off. Maybe it just didn't clip on right, or maybe the ones from Costco weren't the best. Works pretty good, and I'm starting to feel a little bit of raindrops. But before, wow, look, so Andrew accidentally hit my car with the ball last night, and I didn't think it left a mark, but I guess it did. That's how you feel, Andrew? Wow. It's all good, it'll buff out, I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah, it's already coming off. I really gotta wash my car, but whatever. I really gotta wash my car, but it's gonna be raining this entire week, no point. Where's my... oh, there we go, it's right here. Oh, I think it might be low actually. You guys can't really see with the camera, but it's like all the way down there. It's probably on the low. It's all good. Oh yeah, this is definitely low. Look, right there is where it's all wet, and look at all this. Should probably refill it. Probably go to Riley's and buy some of the bug spray thing. The things are like $2-3. Alright, let me just clean all this up real fast. Much better. Pretty easy install, right guys? It's only like a couple seconds per windshield wiper. It wasn't that long of a process, and you could probably do that in the rain. It was a good thing it wasn't really raining, it was just sprinkling a little bit, so it made the job a lot easier. So honestly, this is a really easy job, guys. Anybody could really do it, especially if you watch this video. It just shows you that you just push it out and then push it back in, and then once you hear the click, then that means it's good to go. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for all the support, guys, and until next time, peace.